Do you want something like this? Or that? Then explore Animon AI. So you might ask the question, what is Animon AI and why specifically that? Animon AI is an innovative AI-powered platform that transforms text into high-quality animated characters and videos with ease. What makes it special is its focus on creating lifelike animations in just a few clicks, eliminating the need for complex software or advanced design skills. Unlike other similar websites, Animon AI combines simplicity, speed, and professional-grade results, making it ideal for content creators, marketers, educators, and businesses who want engaging animated content without the usual technical barriers. Its unique blend of user-friendliness and powerful customization sets it apart as the go-to choice for AI-driven animation. Imagine being able to boost your projects, presentations, or social media content with eye-catching animations without draining your budget or spending endless hours learning complicated tools. Animon AI gives you that edge. It helps you work smarter, not harder. Whether you're looking to stand out online, attract more clients, or simply deliver more impactful content, this platform is a shortcut to professional results. By using it to create animations for others on freelance platforms, you can easily turn your skills into a steady income stream while saving both time and effort. When you enter the site, you will find this interface. To register, you will click on Sign Up. If you already have an account, you will enter your email and password. If you are new and want to create an account, you will click here. Then enter your email. You will receive a code to enter, and then you will enter your password and confirm it. Finally, click on Sign Up. You can also use your Google account to register by granting permission to the site, and this is an easy method. The site is actually very simple and easy to use. You will find a side of the features that the site offers you, and we will start with the first one, which is images. Here, in order to generate an image using artificial intelligence, all you have to do is enter your prompt. I will use this prompt that I asked ChatGPT to formulate for me. After that, you choose the quality and dimensions of the image, as well as the style you want the image to have. Here, you will find that the site gives you many options. Choose what suits you, and then you will specify the number of images you want the site to generate for you. After that, you will click on Generate and wait for the site to create the images you requested with ease. As you can see, these are our images here. The site will give you options after producing the images, such as editing, converting to anime, and recreating in case you want something different from what you received. Simply put, you can choose anything you want, and the site will instantly provide you with what you desire. There are also other options like sharing the image, deleting it, or downloading it, as well as sharing in case you want visitors to see it. Now we will see how to create an animated anime. For this, we will click on the anime option here. Then we will choose images from the ones we have previously produced. I will select this image. After that, you can write a prompt that specifies what you want, such as how the character moves and what they do. I won't write anything. I will let it animate randomly. Then you will choose the quality you want and the number of animation videos you want the site to create. And you click Generate. You will wait a little while the site analyzes the image and works on animating it exactly the way you want. In the end, it will produce a video like this for you to see. I will click on it, and as you can see, the video is very impressive. Even though I only animated it randomly and without direction, but still, the result is amazing. As I mentioned earlier, you will find here some options to download the animation, share it, or delete it. There is also the upscale and recreate feature that you can use. The wonderful thing about the site is that it is different and surpasses many similar tools, whether in terms of image production or animation. And if you try the site, you will understand what I am talking about. Here we have assets, and to access them, you will click on Assets here, and you will find all the content you have created. You can also choose only images or only animations, which will make it easier for you to search in case you have a lot of content you have created. But now we will talk about subscriptions. There are 4 subscriptions on the site. 1 free and 3 paid. Of course, the free plan will not be sufficient if you want to create content and earn money from it, as we mentioned earlier. Therefore, you need a paid subscription. Read the features of each subscription and choose what suits you based on your needs. The prices on the site are very good, unlike similar platforms where you find high prices and the value they provide is low. Therefore, this site is like a treasure for you, dear follower. That was all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive updates.